The 2014 Jeep Wrangler Maximum Performance. The all-popular Jeep Wrangler is once again taking the trails of the Easter Jeep Safari in Moab, Utah in the shape of 3 off-road prepped concept vehicles. The Wrangler Maximum Performance is the most extreme of the pack, boasting hardcore climbing capabilities and a 70-to-1 crawl ratio. Enabling the Wrangler Maximum Performance to tackle even the roughest of terrains are a prototype Jeep Performance Parts 4-inch lift kit and push-button, electric locking Dana 60 axles at the front and rear. Also, a 4-to-1 Rock-Trac transfer case and 4.88 gearing are ready to help this unique Wrangler take on Moab's most difficult trails. Of course, the aforementioned upgrades would be completely useless without a proper set of rollers, so it was only natural for Jeep to go with newly designed beadlock wheels wrapped in 37-inch BF Goodrich Mud Terrain tires. A similar spare tire is wrapped in a Jeep Performance Parts cover and fitted around the back. Click past the jump to read more about the Jeep Wrangler Maximum Performance. Jeep Wrangler Maximum Performance in detail. Besides being the most capable concept Jeep is bringing at this year's Moab event, the Wrangler Maximum Performance is also showcasing additional unique exterior features, such as a prototype stinger front bumper and prototype LED lights mounted atop the windshield. The vehicle also comes with a front bumper skid plate, Rubicon rock rails, a prototype flat-top fender kit, a Jeep Performance Parts winch and full steel doors. Appearance-wise, the concept wears a Mopar blue exterior that reminds us of the Wrangler Polar Edition and a Mopar black front grille, while the blue and black hood features a graphics package depicting the Moab landscape. The beadlock wheels are finished in the same dual-tone scheme. Black is the dominant color inside the cabin, with Mopar blue accents present on the HVAC bezels and the steering wheel. Embroidered Jeep logos highlight the black catskin leather seats, while satin inlays are available on the instrument panel and the gearshift knob. Jeep Wrangler.
If you liked this video, please share your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button.